Welcome back to Auto Snuff, where we dive deep into automotive innovation with a dose of enthusiasm and candor. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Kia EV9, a three-row electric SUV that's not just ticking boxes, but rewriting expectations for family EVs. Sleek design, smart tech, real-world versatility, it's all here. Let's get rolling. The EV9 isn't just Kia's answer to bigger EVs, it's a statement. Think of it as the electric Telluride, but smarter, sleeker, and built around a dedicated EV platform. It feels premium, yet thoughtful. Every detail, from swiveling second-row seats to NACS charging, shows Kia's focus on real drivers, families, and adventurers alike. Visually, the EV9 stands tall, literally. Its polygon-inspired design, upright digital tiger face front end, and geometric wheel arches are memorable without being overdone. The hidden flush door handles and vertical LED lighting give it an elegant, futuristic signature, especially at night. GT Line and Nightfall editions bring in bold details like contrasting roof, gloss black wheels, and earthy Road Rider brown paint that blend SUV heft with EV sophistication. Step inside and you'll feel breadth and brightness. The EV9's cabin integrates triple panoramic digital screens, including a 12.3-inch driver display, HVAC touch panel, and 12-inch infotainment, all seamlessly embedded in a minimalist dash. Materials emphasize sustainability, using recycled PET, bioplastics, biofoam, and ocean plastic inserts. The second-row seats even rotate 180 degrees or face outward, perfect for camping or social seating. Add in Meridian premium audio, hidden haptic touch bars, and customizable ambient lighting, and you've got a cabin built for comfort and environmental responsibility. Under the skin, the EV9 offers choices for every lifestyle. The Baselite SR RWD uses a 76 kilowatt-hour battery with a single rear motor, delivering around 230 miles range. Upgrade to Light LR RWD and you're on a 99.8 kilowatt-hour pack for 305 miles. Want performance? Dual motor AWD models, Wind, Land, and GT Line push 379 horsepower and 443/516 lb-ft torque with range in the 280 to 283 miles window. And here's the kicker. The GT variant brings 501 horsepower and a 060 mph in 4.3 seconds, complete with sport-tuned suspension, ELSD, and paddle shift gear simulation. You'll also find terrain modes on AWD trims and NACS charging for Tesla supercharger use, a huge convenience boost. Kia has confirmed the 2026 EV9 is arriving in the US by late 2025, with showrooms stocking the 2026 models early 2026. Pricing starts at $56,395 and scales up to $73,395, all before destination. Most trims dip slightly in price compared to last year, while adding range improvements of 1 to 10 miles and the Tesla-compatible charge port. Top-tier price for the EV9 GT? Expect north of $80,000 given its performance and exclusivity. The 2026 Kia EV9 strikes a rare balance. It's big yet not bloated, techy, but intuitive, and it can shift from family transporter to weekend off-roader to electric GT in the blink of a drive mode. It's more than just a new EV. It's a thoughtful evolution of what electric SUVs should be. For those who want space without compromise, power without pollution, and sustainability without sacrifice, the EV9 is the ride to watch. That's our tour of the new 2026 Kia EV9. Would you go for the practical light, the luxury-ish GT line, or the adrenaline-packed GT? Drop your pick in the comments. If this review hit the spot, like this video, tap the bell, and subscribe to Auto Snuff for more EV insights, bold rides, and passion-driven coverage. Stay charged, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.